This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Amazon heat press. First, carefully unpack and assemble your heat press, following the included instructions. Find a sturdy, heat-resistant surface to work on, ensuring it's level and clear. Next, gather all your supplies, your blank item, like a t-shirt or mug, your chosen transfer design, and essential protective sheets. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe start to your heat pressing project. Now, let's prepare your materials. Begin by preheating your heat press to the specific temperature recommended for your transfer type, often between 300 and 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Lay your blank item, such as a garment, flat on the lower platen, smoothing out any wrinkles. Then, precisely position your transfer design on the item. For intricate designs, use heat-resistant tape to prevent shifting during pressing. With everything in place, it's time to press. Gently close the heat press, applying firm, even pressure. The pressure setting typically ranges from light to heavy, depending on your material. Allow the press to work for the recommended time, usually between 10 and 60 seconds, while maintaining the set temperature. Once the timer signals completion, carefully open the press, lifting the handle smoothly to avoid disturbing your design. After pressing, the final steps are crucial for a perfect result. Let your item cool down completely before attempting to peel off the transfer paper. Some transfers require a hot peel, others a warm or cold peel, so always check your transfer's instructions. Once peeled, admire your creation. For lasting quality, advise washing the item inside out in cold water and air drying, avoiding harsh detergents or high heat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.